of us have felt that entrepreneurial pull of running and owning your own business. And for a lot of us, there's just a lot of allure to being your own boss, having employees, growing your wealth through owning a business. And it's a lot of fun. So it's no wonder that a lot of people at one time or another have that kind of pull towards entrepreneurship. Small business ownership and the operation of small business has proven to be one of the most financially rewarding things to do in a person's lifetime. When you look at the list of billionaires and especially millionaires as well, those people have normally owned a business that they've grown and either sold or taken public. But it's also a very intellectually stimulating and just enjoyable pursuit to have your life's work be in something that you actually own, as opposed to building up something that somebody else owns is just a lot more rewarding. So the gist of it all is that you have the opportunity to be the master of your own financial destiny when you own your own business. But it can be pretty scary. I mean, for those folks that have never owned a business before, going out and the other side of owning your own thing is that you are in charge. You're responsible for making sure that there's enough money at the end of the day, after you've taken care of everybody else, to pay yourself, to take care of your family. You don't have somebody else that's dealing with that stress. So we've all heard about the high mortality rates of new businesses that start from the ground up, and we know that 50% of them don't make it past the first 3 years, and we've heard that 70% will be gone after 5 years. And I mean, when you look at those numbers, it just really does not make sense for the average person to go out and start a business from scratch. I mean, why go into something that you have such a high likelihood of losing everything that you put into it? It doesn't make sense. So there are many reasons for this, including insufficient operating capital, not really knowing what's around the corner. Every time you turn a corner, it's totally new because you've started this thing from scratch. You got to figure out everything from scratch, and so you're in this trial and error. Even the most prolific and expert business operator loses sometimes. They get into something and they make a mistake and it goes out of business. Another reason is because a lot of people are poor business owners. They don't have the management and leadership skills that it takes to take something from zero and get it all the way, not just to break even, but to profit. And then you also just have people that are the concept just doesn't work. Whether they don't have the market that they thought was there, they aren't able to build a strong customer base. And lastly, you just have people that get into things and they just have bad luck. And I've seen it where they just aren't, things don't seem to be lining up the way they need them to in the marketplace, or in the economy, when people that started a mortgage company the day before the real estate crash started, that those kind of things are just totally out of your control. And it would be great if these potential problems could be eliminated or at least minimized for you as a new business operator. And the cool thing is, that's why I do what I do, because I don't believe that a lot of people that are starting businesses really should be starting business. I think they could be successful business owners, but they start a business, it fails, and they think that it's all on them. The truth is, they could operate a business, but the just bottom line is the odds are just stacked against you if you're starting from scratch. And so the reason we do what we do, the reason I'm passionate about helping people take over successful businesses and learn the skill of becoming a great operator, as opposed to trying to learn the skill of becoming a great marketer, learn the skill of managing finances of a startup, trying to create systems and processes and all these things when all that stuff is already done for you in a going business. So buying an existing profitable business instead of starting one from scratch, it has endless advantages. You know, existing successful businesses have a proven track record of profits that will most likely continue long after the business is sold. So you get to apply your new ideas and all of that work that you would put into a startup and improve the profits that are already there, as opposed to starting from scratch. You'll have an established customer base for immediate cash flow. There's no suffering through that long startup phase where you're trying to just attract those first few customers, and you get to use those customers as a building block and creating referral fees and getting them to spend more money and upselling and all the cool fun stuff of owning a business, as opposed to just begging people to come in and try you. Typically, you'll be able to use a business's seller financing as a large portion of the purchase price to maximize your buying potential. When you're starting a business, not only does nobody want to finance you, the bank doesn't want to touch you, you know, investors are scared because they know the mortality rate. You have nowhere really to turn, and so you put all your money into this slot machine and just hope that something comes out. The truth is, when you're buying a business, not only is it a lower risk level, but it's also a lower investment level for you as the business owner, because banks love it when a business is already existing, and sellers don't mind offering you financing. Investors want to invest in something that's proven, not your startup. So take those things into consideration. If you're sitting there right now, you want to own your own business, but deep down inside, you know you're afraid and you understand the huge risk of starting something from scratch, check out the acechapman.com site. There's a lot to learn there that can kind of get you on this path to going out and taking over a profitable existing business instead of getting caught up in playing the slot machine of starting a business from scratch. At acechapman.com. You can email me, ace@acechapman.com, and I look forward to hearing from you.